This tutorial review will show you how to fix unable to check for update issue on iPhone. So if you want to update iOS but whenever you try to update you see the issue, follow these simple steps to fix this issue. The first solution is turn off your iPhone and after 2 or 3 minutes turn it back on. To turn off your iPhone, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. And now slide these to turn off your iPhone. And then turn on your iPhone again and then check the issue. The second solution is go to your iPhone settings and if you're using VPN, make sure to disable the VPN and disable airplane mode. Open control center. You can switch your internet between Wi-Fi and cellular and make sure to use a strong internet connection and hope any of these solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.